Imagine this. Late 2025, a shadowy Detroit warehouse. GMC engineers huddle with rogue AI specialists from a Black Ops Google division. Why? To forge a weapon against the apocalypse of gridlocked cities and crumbling roads. This isn't just a truck. It's Project Titanfall, the leaked blueprint for dominating tomorrow's chaos. Leaked photos hit my desk last night. The 2027 Sierra AT4 AX on steroids, meaner than anything I've witnessed. Buckle up, we're diving deep. From the front, this beast screams defiance. Those sculpted intakes, not for air, they're vortex generators, pulling in atmospheric ions to charge an invisible force field, shields against debris in urban wastelands. The stance, engineered for zero-gravity maneuvers. Adaptive photon dampers lifted over craters that would swallow lesser vehicles. Picture it conquering Mars-like terrains on Earth. Why the secret collab? Rumors say it's to solve the 2030 resource wars, trucks that outlast empires, edges honed like a predator's claws, no weak points, just raw, unyielding power. This isn't design, it's survival architecture. Now, the sides. Flowing lines that aerodynamics from another era. But dig deeper. This custom kit hides self-regenerating nano-weave panels. Scratches? They heal via embedded biomimicry tech, drawing energy from sunlight like a living organism. Invented in that forbidden partnership to tackle extreme climates, floods, fires, fallout. The problem they solved: vehicles dying too soon in disaster zones. Sculpted flares channel quantum airflow, boosting efficiency by 40%. Edges so sharp, they slice through wind resistance. This truck doesn't fight nature, it bends it. Pure genius, shrouded in secrecy.
Turn to the rear. That tailgate, a multi-tool arsenal in disguise. Deploys micro-drones for reconnaissance, scouting trails 5 miles out, relaying data to the cab. Exhaust ports, dual-mode thrusters, switching from roar to silent electric pulse. Why? To evade detection in hostile territories. The lore? GMC and military contractors met underground to counter autonomous rival fleets from overseas. Bedlines conceal modular cargo bays, expanding via smart alloys, haul gear for end times. This rear isn't an afterthought, it's the escape hatch for civilization's last stand.
Step inside. The cockpit pulses with life. Holographic displays project routes through augmented reality overlays, predicting hazards via satellite neural nets. Awestruck. Seats? Bioadaptive composites that molds to your form, monitoring vitals to adjust climate, keeping you alert in marathon hauls. Dash integrates seamless ecosystems, blending voice commands with gesture controls. But here's the mind blower. 3 speculative texts straight from the shadows. First, the Neural-Linked Helm, an AI that reads your thoughts via subtle EEG sensors in the wheel, preempting turns before you twitch. Solves driver fatigue in endless convoys. Second, Quantum Fuel Optimizer, an engine core that warps efficiency, sipping fuel like a ghost while delivering V8 fury. Born to combat global shortages. Third, Adaptive Armor Interface, cabin panels that harden on impact using phase change materials. Dramatic pause. Why the secrecy? To outpace electric-only mandates, blending old muscle with new wizardry. Screens show off off-road mastery, pitch, roll, tire intel, but imagine it forecasting avalanches. Excited peak. Trailer cams? They don't just watch, they auto-correct sway with micro-thrusters. Personalization? It learns your habits, suggesting detours around chaos. Edge cases? In blackouts, it runs on stored solar. Implications? This interior isn't luxury, it's a command center for the unpredictable future. Reflective. Nuances abound. Voice assistants that evolve, seats that heal minor aches with micro-vibrations. Related tech? Ties to space exploration rigs. Complete control, zero compromises.
So, what is this 2027 Sierra AT4X? Not a truck, a manifesto, forged in secret to solve tomorrow's unsolvable, mobility in a world gone mad. If these leaks are real, we're witnessing the dawn of unstoppable machines. Meanest I've seen? Absolutely. Drive one and you own the horizon. Stay vigilant, folks. More leaks coming. This is the future, and it's roaring.